What's up guys, and welcome to the 20th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about using a switch statement and a few functions to create a menu. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is go here and type int main. Next line, we can say int a equals 0, close that off. Then we can say while a is not equal to 0, so while a is not equal to 0, and then we can get into the statement. We can also say display. You'll see why I'm doing this in a minute. Display the menu. A equals the get selection, and you go into your switch. But before I even do that, I can just go into the top. I should have done this earlier. You'll see why I'm doing this. So if I do void display menu, then I can do int get selection. Okay, those are done. Now if I go to the switch case, change that to a, case 1, and say std cout received, and maybe have a new line or something, semicolon, copy all this. So if I copy it, that should be case 2. Change this to pay, copy all this again, change that to case 3, and say quit. In your default, we could say std yes cout and say something like error. Have a new line there, close that one off. So this is literally the switch case statement. I mean, if we execute this, it won't actually work, because first we need the menu, then we need to enter a selection. Once you select 1, 2, or 3, then you should say receive, pay, quit. And now let's go into the function, which is void display menu. Std cout. I mean, this is the menu, so have that on a new line, close that off, copy all this, save us some time, paste it about a few times, change this, get rid of that error. That's it. I mean, I can just copy this again, copy that, paste that again, copy this, paste that in there, change that to number 2, change this to number 3, And after this, we now need a read a menu selection. So, well, not even a selection, just read a menu A or whatever. I'll just say read the menu. So we can say int get selection parentheses int A, close that off, std cout, enter the selection, close that off, stdcin, that should be A, close that off, and then we can say return A. That's it really. So we have a program that starts out with a switch case statement and then goes down into a menu, and then you can read the menu. Just to reiterate again, display menu here. This literally just displays the menu where it says A equals get selection. This reads the menu, and then all this is literally all just a switch statement from here. This is the menu. This allows you to enter your selection. So let's just execute this and see what we get. Build succeeded. Okay, there's a problem because I need to change something. So if I do not equals to 3, execute that, build succeeded. Now we have the menu available. So if I do 1, it says received. If I do 2, it says pay. If I do 3, we have quit the program. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.